Alright, so question from subscriber, how to displace the geometry in Blender based on the texture. So just go here into modifiers stack here, just add modifier and let's search for displacement or displace. Then hit this new button which creates the texture right here. You can just go here actually by clicking this button here like that. Let's now just open the texture and I have it here on this one, I guess. Where was it? I guess it was this one. So I will select it and then I will go back here into the parameters and I will select here UVs. Then I will just, while I have these geometries selected, I will press on my keyboard Control 3 or Control 4, which creates the subdivision modifier here, which I will place on top like this. And then I will increase the level here to something like 10 probably. And I will switch it to simple, so it's not smooth as these corners. And then obviously this is it, right? So S, Y, and then I will just adjust the aspect ratio of it. Then probably I will downscale the overall height to something like 0.4 probably. And then if you want, you can of course go here, press Shift F3 to go to shader editor like this. And then while we have this principled shader selected and press Control T, then click this open button, go to downloads, and let's select our plate here like this. And there you go. And then you can go to materials and increase metallic parameter here, so it has this proper metallic feel into it. And then you can just play with the overall depth of it, going here and plays with the strength of the depth, and that's really it.